Good morning. It's time for our first red word of the week. I'm going to read you the sentence. Read with me. My dogs are very cute. That's my opinion. The word I underlined is very. It is spelled V-E-R-Y. And the word very really isn't much of a real red word because if we stretch it, V-E-R-E. Very. The reason it's a red word, you can really stretch it, but usually ER is that bossy R that says so it would be very if you read it the way the rule typically works. But this is actually more of a real phonetic stretching out. V-E-R-E. Very. That's our red word of the week. Very means if you want to say something is more than just that word. If you want to just supersize the word a little bit. Like if I want to say my foot is big. Okay, I have a big foot, but if I say my foot is very big, you expect my foot to be extremely big. If I say this kitchen is smelly, okay? But if I say this kitchen is very smelly, probably don't want to come in. Very supersizes the word you're talking about. So let's think of a sentence using the word very. Okay, tell me what it is. Excellent. Are you ready to tap out very? Let's try it. Well, let's try to write it first. Ready? Here we go. When we write very, here, you know what, I'll show you again. When we write very, it's all downstairs except for the Y that uses the downstairs and the basement. So get ready. We're going to start at the middle line and we're going to do the V, diagonal down, diagonal down. The E, we're going to do it a little bit at by the 2 o'clock dot. We're going to come across and then scoop around like a C to make that E. R, we're going to start at the middle line, come down to the bottom, up and scoop around, but don't do it too much, or what letter do you make? That's right, an N. We don't want an N, we want an R. And then the Y, we're going to do a diagonal down, making which letter? V, but then you continue into the basement to make the Y. That's right. Let's write it let's do it 3 times together. Ready? Here we go. V, E, R, Y. Again, V, E, R, Y. One more time. V, E, R, Y. Great job. Now, time for our arm tapping. So, everybody, you're going to take your left hand around, your right hand on your left shoulder. Emma and Joey, you're going to bring around your right hand and put your left hand on your right wrist. You're going to do V, E, R, Y. The rest of us, left hand, right hand on your left shoulder, we're going to do the V, E at the upper arm, R at the lower arm, Y at the wrist. Here we go. Everybody in position. Great. Here we go. Ready? Very. V-E-R-Y. Very. Again. V-E-R-Y. Very. Last time. V-E-R-Y. Very. Very good job. Have a great day.